Hello, I'm Steve Forbes, and this is What's Ahead. Stocks have done well since their recent lows, and the question for investors is, should you buy now? Should you get out? Should you just stay put? Over time, stocks always do well. The problem is there are plenty of ups and downs along the way. Take the 1970s and the late 1960s. From 1968 to 1982, the Dow Jones went nowhere. Long period of time. So, long-term average is great, but in between, a lot of turmoil. So, what should you do now? Here's what to watch out for. What the economy will be doing will depend, of course, on the economic environment. This is why the elections will be so important. Will we have a new regime in 2021 of more low taxes, more deregulation, a stable dollar? Or will we go the way of Europe? Higher taxes, heavier burdens on business, and more and more taxes. Whichever way we go will determine the course of the stock market. Will we have a new boom, or will we have another one of those dreadful periods like the 1970s? Here's another thing to watch out for. What happens with all that money printing, all that money being created to provide lifelines for businesses and individuals? If Washington handles the challenge well, we won't get a new inflation and an economic crisis, but if it mishandles it, by golly, we will have trouble. Here's what you should look for there: the price of gold. If the price of gold keeps moving up and reaches new highs, bad news for your stocks. However, if gold stays stable or gently goes down, that'll be good news for your stocks. Of course, if we get suddenly a miracle treatment or vaccine for COVID-19, then the economy will quickly come back, and of course stocks will too. But in the meantime, expect trouble. But long term, if you are in a retirement plan, whether it's a 401k or an IRA or something else, keep putting in that retirement money. Whether you do it annually, each paycheck, quarterly, whatever the schedule, keep putting that money in and ignore it. Over time, you will always beat professional money managers, and you will have a better retirement. There's a case of do it and look away. I'm Steve Forbes. Thank you for listening. Look forward to talking to you soon again.